Tourist, it's your boy Domination. This is Back of the Base, the Chuck of the Deuce, how we do text, baby. And get in again. The only place, all the place gonna get it. All the place gonna get it is right back of the base. Chuck of the Deuce is how we do text, baby. Man, I dug us back. You know what it is, Real men rise up, fake men rise down. Real women rise up, fake women rise down. Right to where I preach on. And today's topic I'm talking about is why bother with people? Some people just don't want to be bothered. Hey, I understand that. Some people got a lot of other things going on. Maybe they lost a loved one. Maybe they lost their job or stuff like that. Hey, don't tell them. But I feel like this. If you don't want to be bothered with somebody, you don't want to be people be bothering you, you need to tell them. You need to tell them this. Look, you ain't got to tell all your business. All the thing you got to do, look, I got some other things going on, but not, I want to help you in the moment, but not right now. But when I get back on my back myself together, then I do it. That's all they gotta do. It's not that hard to do that. I can't stand people like that. This anger that towards anybody, and it's not just this. You fellas and ladies, y'all know what I'm talking about. My mother always asking this woman to do my hair, right? But for some reason, she got kids and all this other stuff. Like I said, ladies, y'all need to get that anger out your heart. Because you're going to die with that hate. I understand there are guys out there did you wrong. But you need to look towards yourself. Maybe it's have something to do with me attracted those type of men like that. That's why guys are scared to fuck you. I ain't gonna lie. Fellas, y'all know what I'm talking about. I see this. Some women scared to sleep with a man. And women know exactly what I'm talking about. Fellas need to get that anger out of their heart as well. It's not just ladies, but fellas. Ladies and fellas need to get out of it. Because for some reason, if you don't want to be bothered, you should tell somebody. Then again, if you don't want to tell them, hey, that's fine. People understand that. I'm not mad, but I understand why some people like that. I don't got time for that. I know, and you wonder why crimes are so high. You wonder why some people are fucked with people for no reason. You wonder why people mind their own business. They don't bother nobody. And I'm the same way. I'm not a nice talking person kind of guy. I talk to people if they want to be talked back to. What I mean is, if they're ready to talk, then I talk right back to them. But I'm not going to talk to them, just be open with them like that, because I know they ain't going to be open with me. And I try to tell my mother, she got to be careful who the people she try to talk to. Because for some reason, it's like, man, and they wonder why there's so much hate and so much violence out there. It's sad, because, you know, it shouldn't be like that. I think the best feel of way of happiness, feel way of happiness for yourself. And that goes to fellas out there. Fellas, don't even worry about it. Don't get upset. That's just the way it is. Same thing women. Women got to make sure they got to make themselves happy before everybody else be happy. But don't go around becoming more what you hate. Because the more hate you're going to become, it's the more becoming you going to be hate for yourself. And ain't nobody else going to be around you but yourself. And that's all I got to say about that. Why bother people if they don't want to be bothered? If you don't want to be bothered, folks, then you need to tell somebody if you don't want to be bothered. Then again, you don't want to be bothered. You want to be left alone. That's all I got to say about that. It's your boy, Domination. That's the Back of the Base and Chuck of the Deuce. That's how we do text, baby. Until next time, alright? Alright, peace, and I'm out.